Welcome to my latest video where we dive into the fascinating world of transportation in London. From the iconic red buses to the extensive underground network, we'll explore how this bustling city keeps moving efficiently and innovatively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel and city insights from around the world. Transportation in London is a dynamic and integral part of the city, renowned for its extensive and diverse system. The London Underground, famously known as the Tube, is one of the oldest and most expansive subway systems in the world, connecting the city and its suburbs with over 270 stations. London's iconic red double-decker buses are not only a symbol of the city, but also provide a comprehensive network, making local travel accessible and convenient. In addition to the tube and buses, the city also offers extensive overground rail services, river buses, and a growing network of cycle lanes for environmentally friendly options. Despite the city's occasional challenges with congestion and peak time travel, London's integrated public transportation system, supported by the Oyster card and contactless payment methods, ensures efficient and relatively easy navigation for both residents and visitors. Using the London Underground is generally considered easy and user-friendly, especially with its well-signposted and mapped stations. The Tube, as it's popularly known, operates with clear color-coded lines, making it straightforward to navigate between different parts of the city. Each station is equipped with detailed maps and helpful staff, and modern advancements like contactless payments and the Oyster card system make accessing the service quick and convenient. Additionally, the Transport for London (TfL) website and mobile apps provide real-time updates and route planning tools, further simplifying the experience for commuters and tourists alike. While it can get crowded during peak hours, the frequency of trains and the extensive network coverage ensure that travelling around London on the Underground is a reliable and efficient option. Purchasing tickets for the London Underground is straightforward and can be done through various methods to suit different needs. The most popular and convenient way is using an Oyster card, a reusable smart card that can be topped up with pay-as-you-go credit or travel passes. You can buy an Oyster card at tube station ticket machines, Oyster ticket stops, and Transport for London (TfL) visitor centres, as well as online. For those who prefer not to use an Oyster card, contactless payment cards or mobile payment apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay are widely accepted at the gates. Single-journey paper tickets are also available from ticket machines, but they are generally more expensive than using an Oyster card or contactless payment method. Before using the London Underground, it's essential to familiarise yourself with the Tube map to understand the various lines and interconnections. Peak travel times, typically weekday mornings and evenings, can be particularly crowded, so plan accordingly and consider travelling outside these hours for a more comfortable journey. It's also important to have your Oyster card or contactless payment method ready before you get to the barriers to keep the flow of passengers smooth. Always stand on the right side of the escalators to allow others to pass on the left, a well-known etiquette in London's underground stations. Lastly, be aware of any planned engineering works or line closures, which are common on weekends and can affect travel plans. Checking the Transport for London website or app for real-time updates is advisable. As of 2024, the ticket prices for the London Underground are structured based on the zones travelled and the type of payment method used. The fares are divided into zones, with central London being Zone 1, and the cost increases as you travel to higher numbered zones, such as Heathrow Airport in Zone 6. The most economical options for payment are using an Oyster card or a contactless payment method, as these are cheaper than purchasing individual paper tickets. For example, a single journey in Zone 1 costs £2.80 off peak and £2.70 peak with an Oyster contactless card, compared to £6.70 if paying with cash. Children under 11 travel free, and there are special fares for children between 11 and 15 years old with an Oyster 11 to 15 photocard. It's also important to note that the Transport for London (TfL) planned an assumption of a 4% fare increase in March 2024, as per their funding agreement with the government. However, the exact details of the fare changes were to be announced later. For tourists visiting London in 2024, there are several convenient travel pass options to consider. Visitor Oyster card. This is a smart card used for pay-as-you-go travel on buses, the Tube, trams, DLR, London Overground, Elizabeth Line, and most national rail services in London. It's the cheapest way to pay for single journeys and includes fares capping on services like the IFS Cloud Cable Car and Thames Clippers River Bus. You can decide how much credit to load onto the card when purchasing it. Travel Card. This pass is available for durations of 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, offering unlimited travel within selected zones on the tram, bus, Docklands Light Railway, London Underground, London Overground, TfL Rail, and National Rail. Travel cards also offer discounted fares on the cable car and Thames Clipper riverboat. However, the cost-effectiveness of a travel card compared to Oyster or contactless prices depends on the number of journeys you make. Group Day London Travel Card. Ideal for groups of 10 or more, this travel card provides a cost-effective way for group travel within London. London Pass. Although not a travel pass, the London Pass offers free entry to many London attractions, including bus and boat tours. It's a comprehensive sightseeing pass but does not cover public transport costs. You might need to book some attractions in advance, and it does not include priority entry to attractions. Day Travel Cards. These are available for unlimited travel on London's public transport, including buses, the Tube, tram, DLR, London Overground, Elizabeth Line, and National Rail services in zones 1 to 6. There are options for any time and off-peak day travel cards. Each of these options has its own set of benefits and limitations, so your choice will depend on your specific travel plans, the length of your stay, and the areas of London you intend to visit. Buses in London form an integral part of the city's extensive public transportation system. Operated by Transport for London, TfL, London boasts a vast network of bus routes covering virtually every corner of the city, making it one of the most comprehensive bus systems in the world. These red double-decker buses are iconic symbols of London and provide convenient and affordable transportation for millions of residents and visitors daily. London is home to several major airports including Heathrow, Gatwick, Stansted, Luton, and London City, each offering a range of domestic and international flights along with various transportation options for easy access to the city. Heathrow Airport offers various transfer options including the fast Heathrow Express train, the economical London Underground, comfortable National Express coaches, local bus services, and luxurious private airport transfers. Stansted Airport offers a range of transfer options including the Stansted Express train to central London, National Express coaches, private car hires, and taxis, ensuring efficient connectivity for travellers. Gatwick Airport provides various transfer options, including the Gatwick Express train, local trains, National Express coaches, private airport transfers, and taxis for convenient access to and from London. Luton Airport offers various transfer options including National Express coaches, providing convenient and affordable travel from multiple locations across the UK to the airport. BritRoute is a reliable and affordable travel management company that offers airport transfers, minibus hire, and coach hire services in the UK. Whether you need a comfortable ride for a small group or a spacious vehicle for a large event, they have the perfect solution for you. They have partnered with over 3,000 reliable and professional drivers across the UK to provide you with the best travel experience. I experienced airport transfer to Gatwick Airport with them. It was very comfortable car with an experienced driver and everything was on time. Taxis in London, commonly known as black cabs, are an iconic feature of the city's transport landscape, recognised for their distinctive shape and colour. Drivers of these cabs are highly knowledgeable, having passed the rigorous knowledge test, which requires them to memorise virtually every street and notable location in London. These taxis offer a reliable and traditional mode of transportation, and are available for hire across the city, with the convenience of being hailed on the street or booked via phone or app services. Uber operates extensively in London, offering residents and visitors a convenient and modern alternative to traditional taxis. The app-based service allows users to book rides easily from their smartphones, providing transparency with fare estimates and route tracking. Known for its flexibility and range of options, from budget-friendly UberX to more premium offerings, Uber has become a popular choice for on-demand transportation in the city. Hop-on hop-off buses in London provide tourists with a convenient and flexible way to explore the city's major landmarks and attractions. These open-top double-decker buses offer guided tours with informative commentary, enabling passengers to disembark at any stop to explore at their own pace before rejoining the tour. With multiple routes covering key points of interest, such as Big Ben, the London Eye, and the Tower of London, these tours offer an immersive and comprehensive sightseeing experience for visitors to London. Car rental services in London offer visitors the flexibility to explore the city and its surroundings at their own pace. Numerous international and local rental companies operate in London, providing a wide range of vehicles to suit different needs and budgets. However, due to the city's congested traffic and expensive parking, many travelers find that using public transportation or alternative modes of transportation like taxis or rideshares is often more convenient for navigating London's bustling streets. Scooter rentals in London offer a modern, efficient, and eco-friendly way to navigate the city, especially popular among tourists and locals for short trips. These electric scooters are accessible via smartphone apps, allowing users to locate, unlock, and pay for them easily. With designated parking spots and areas for operation, they provide a convenient option for navigating through London's busy streets, complementing other forms of public transportation. Bicycle rental in London has gained popularity as an eco-friendly and healthy way to navigate the city. Transport for London, TfL, operates a bike-sharing scheme called Santander Cycles, with numerous docking stations scattered throughout the city. Tourists and locals alike can easily rent bicycles from these stations, making it convenient to explore London's parks, cycle lanes, and iconic landmarks while reducing carbon emissions. River transportation in London plays a vital role in the city's transportation network, with the River Thames serving as a key waterway. The iconic London River bus services provide commuters and tourists with a scenic and efficient way to navigate the city, connecting various key destinations along the riverbanks. Additionally, London's historic river taxis, known as watermen, offer a unique and traditional mode of transportation for those seeking a more authentic experience while crossing the Thames. As we conclude our exploration of transportation in London, I hope you now have a better understanding of the city's diverse mobility options. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed learning about how to get around in London, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on more travel tips, guides, and exciting content from us. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our future adventures.